Daily Show with Jon Stewart is brought to you by the introduction of Listerine Total Care, the most complete mouthwash.
Does your mouthwash work in 6 different ways? Introducing Listerine Total Care. Everything you need to strengthen teeth, help prevent cavities, and kill germs. Introducing 6-in-1 Listerine Total Care, the most complete mouthwash.
There's a lot of secrets in District 9.
District 9, rated R.
Special interest groups are trying to block progress on healthcare reform, derailing the debate with myths and scare tactics. Desperately trying to stop you from discovering that reform won't ration care. You and your doctor will always decide the best treatment for you. Tell Congress not to let myths get in the way of fixing what's broken with healthcare. Learn the facts at healthactionnow.org.
From Mike Judge, the creator of Office Space. Everything you know about employment.
Let me introduce you to the new temps. This is Cindy.
Hi.
Hi.
And, I'm sorry, I forgot your name.
Communication.
She work here?
She's a temp.
She's a tramp?
Temp.
And teamwork.
I'm just gonna sit here.
Is about to get blown right off.
That is messed up.
Stress is a killer. You should try smoking.
That's a drug.
It's a flower.
Extract. Rated R. In theaters September 4th.
Reading about Washington these days? I gotta ask, what's in it for me? I'm not looking for a bailout, just a good paying job. That's why I like this clean energy idea. Now that works for our whole family. For the kids, a better environment. For my wife, who commutes, no more getting jerked around on gas prices. For me, well, it wouldn't be so bad if this breadwinner brought home a little more bread. Repower America. I hope our senators are listening.
Frost brewed Coors Light. How cold is it? It's chilled down to 34 degrees. For a taste as cold as the Rockies. It's aged cold. It's filtered cold. And it's served in cans, bottles, and glasses that tell you when it's cold. Why? Because refreshment isn't everything. It's the only thing. Frost brewed Coors Light, the world's most refreshing beer.
The goods is raw.
These people are excited about the savings.
Raunchy.
Are you disgusted? I am.
And righteously hilarious.
Just like John Wilkes Booth, our prices are going to sneak up behind you and blow your brains out. Woo!
The goods. Live hard, sell hard. Rated R. Friday.
Bad habits are hard to break, especially when you're smashed.
Every drunk ass punches a wall at some point in his life. Nothing good comes of it. You never break through the wall and find a missing child on the other side.
Greg Giraldo, Midlife Basterds. Catch the world premiere Sunday at 10.
America has spoken. G.I. Joe is #1.
That's why we're here.
Real American heroes.
American badass! G.I. Joe.
Man, we look good.
Rated PG-13.
Excuses are no match for more power, better fuel efficiency, and now 1.9 financing, the Porsche moment. See your dealer for compelling lease and finance offers and the end of excuses.
This is Radio Malibu Boom Boom, a non-commercial radio station.
Get your island done.
And here's the weather. New York.
Sunshine.
Paris.
Sunshine.
Moscow.
Definitely.
Sunshine. Tokyo.
Sunshine.
It is 1 a.m. in Tokyo, Bernard.
Details.
Minor details. Always drink responsibly.
We're gonna be doing one thing only. Killing Nazis.
On August 21st.
It was on the other side of that door.
Ain't that nice?
Justice is a bastard.
Bingo.
Brad Pitt and Quentin Tarantino's Inglorious Basterds. Rated R. In theaters August 21st.
Who gets the credit for Domino's bread bowl pasta with a free lava crunch cake? Our chefs are accountants.
We bake pasta in a warm seasoned bread bowl.
We came up with the price.
Chocolate lava.
And we made it free.
Stick that in your oven.
Order any bread bowl pasta and get a lava crunch cake free. Only at Domino's.
Oh, hey, Adam. Hey.
Split the uprights with Adam Nugateri.
Monaco International Casino and Bar Mitzvah Center.
One small town.
That's bleach for laundry.
What's the difference?
Is about to be put on the map.
The Woodstock Nation.
You think anyone will come?
No.
On August 28th.
You know what those hippies are going to do to our town?
What is this in the bushes?
Take a trip.
Setting this thing down.
To the biggest party of the year.
We've made brownies.
Taking Woodstock. Rated R. Starts Friday, August 28th.
First time in a warehouse store?
1,500 tube socks, $11. Pretzels, 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 pretzel party at Jack's house. A plasma TV twin pack?
And 20 pounds of jerky.
Want a lot for a little? Get Jack's Big Deal. It's a cheeseburger, fries, a taco, and a drink for just $2.99.
Whoa, somebody's getting their fiber.
More cash over here.
It's much easier to find money at esurance. Great auto insurance rates and lots of discounts.
Got insurance already? Save more with Esurance's Switch and Save discount.
It also pays to shop online. You get Esurance's Fast 5 discount just for getting an instant online quote.
Thanks, Professor.
Don't forget the good student discount.
And there's even more discounts.
It's no secret that you can save hundreds with Esurance.
Make it your mission to click or call Esurance today.
Wednesday, Michael and Michael have issues.
Am I just getting on all fours?
Mattress shopping.
Do me a favor and just kind of moan a little bit.
Ooh, oh. Michael and Michael have issues. New episode Wednesday at 10:30.
Can you sit on my face real quick? Yeah, sure, definitely.
So how does the iPhone make traveling easier? Well, if you'd like your own personal tour of Paris, there's an app for that.
You're standing at the center of France.
Or you'd like to figure out the metro. There's an app for that. Or you'd like to send a postcard home. There's an app for that too. Because there's an app for just about anything, only on the iPhone.
From Mike Judge, the creator of Office Space. Everything you know about employment.
Let me introduce you to the new temps. This is Cindy.
Hi. Hey.
And, I'm sorry, I forgot your name.
Communication.
She work here?
She's a temp.
She's a tramp?
Temp.
And teamwork.
I'm just gonna sit here.
He's about to get blown right off.
That is messed up.
Stress is a killer. You should try smoking.
That's a drug.
It's a flower.
Extract. Rated R. In theaters September 4th.
$5 footlong, $5 footlong. It's good going.
The famous Subway $5 footlong rolls on. The piled high cold cut combo and many other regular $5 footlongs all day, every day.
I race to win. I know when it's the perfect time to change my tires. When it comes to shaving, I know when to change my blade.
Gillette Fusion's indicator strip fades to white when it may be time to change.
Fresh blade, better shave.
You know, the beer you choose says a lot about you. You want friendly, not pretentious, classic, never trendy. You want a real American beauty.
Are you talking about the Budweiser or me?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine.
Nurse.
On August 28th, enter the path of evil. Explore the mind of madness.
Evil is here.
And experience the final destiny of a legend.
Michael is more evolved.
It's a typical day in the midlife of Greg Giraldo.
I saw one of those Hummers, those giant Hummer cars with handicap tags on it. I never realized that being an ass was technically a handicap.
Greg Giraldo Midlife Vices. Catch the world premiere Sunday at 10.
Bonjour!
Treat yourself to the #1 comedy in America.
Bon appetit!
Julie and Julia is sensationally entertaining. Meryl Streep is brilliant.
Me? Yes!
Julie and Julia. Rated PG-13. Now playing.
Every generation gets a chance to change the world. Be the nation that will listen to you boys and girls. 'Cause the sweetest melody is the one we use.
You can't even tell me anything about this wine.
It tastes like Sonoma Valley.
No, my friend. These grapes are very Sierra Foothills. Foothills.
Idaho, with fields of the finest hops known to man, harvested at just the right moment to produce the perfect balance of flavor and refreshment. I'm sorry, you guys were saying?
Budweiser, all around.
So fine that I really want to make you mine.
Dude, you filmed the hops? I'm so filmed. Yeah.
Whoever finds an alligator in your car, $500 off.
The Goods is raw, raunchy, and righteously hilarious.
This car is for you.
We're gonna get going.
Don't be a bitch.
Hey, don't talk to my wife like that.
The Goods. Live hard, sell hard. Rated R. Friday.
Special interest groups are trying to block progress on healthcare reform, derailing the debate with myths and scare tactics. Desperately trying to stop you from discovering that reform won't force you to give up your current coverage. You'll still be able to choose your doctor and insurance plan. Tell Congress not to let myths get in the way of fixing what's broken with healthcare. Learn the facts at healthactionnow.org.
Papers say the challengers for mayor only offer wild promises, but Greg Nickles has a record of accomplishment.
Mayor Nickles led the way when he urged mayors around the country to agree on their own greenhouse gas reductions in their own cities.
Without Greg Nickles' leadership, I don't think light rail would have ever gotten built.
Helping working families, keeping good jobs here, that's more than I can say for any of the other candidates.
Greg Nickles, putting progressive values into action. Paid for by Neighbors for Nickles.
The East Side's juiciest steaks, freshest seafood, tastiest sushi, and largest selection of draft beer are here at Taphouse Grill in the Bellevue Galleria.
Processing center, a safe, reliable transaction with satisfaction guaranteed.
I got $423 from cashforgold.com. That's a lot of gas money.
Call 1-800-679-6998. Call now.
In the prisoner taking business. We in the killing Nazi business. And cousin, business is a boom.
On August 21st.
Hitler's on the other side of that door.
The most entertaining action event of the summer.
Like that nice.
Explodes in theaters.
Tear Peters into your Nazi boss. Wow, fun.
Brad Pitt in the new film by Quentin Tarantino.
Is that the plan?
That's about it. Or not.
Inglorious Basterds. Rated R.
This is Radio Malibu Rum, a non-commercial radio station.
Get your island on.
And here's the weather. New York. Sunshine. Paris. Sunshine. Moscow. Definitely. Sunshine. Tokyo. Sunshine. It is 1 a.m. in Tokyo, Bernard. Details. Minor details. Always drink responsibly.
The Goods is raw.
These people are excited about the savings.
Raunchy.
Are you disgusted? I am.
And righteously hilarious.
Just like John Wilkes Booth, our prices are going to sneak up behind you and blow your brains out. Woo!
The Goods. Live hard, sell hard. Rated R. Friday.
What is this you sold us? Condoms. It feels like nothing's there.
This is new Trojan Ecstasy. A totally new fit plus his side, her side lubrication for so much pleasure.
Do you take debit?
Introducing new Trojan Ecstasy. You can't wait to get it on.
I'll start the car.
From Mike Judge, the creator of Office Space. Everything you know about employment.
Let me introduce you to the new temps. This is Cindy.
Hi.
Hey.
And, I'm sorry, I forgot your name.
Communication.
She work here? She's a temp. She's a tramp? Temp.
And teamwork.
I'm just gonna sit here.
He's about to get blown right off.
That is messed up.
Stress is a killer. You should try smoking. That's a drug. It's a flower.
Extract. Rated R. In theaters September 4th.
My dad got me those drums when I was 7.
Need gear? Come to Guitar Center's August anniversary sale with deals in every department. Like buy these Zildjian cymbals and get this drum set free. Or buy one vocal mic and get 3 free. All August long, only at Guitar Center.
7 out of 10 Americans have credit card debt. Like this single mom who couldn't make ends meet and fell behind on her payments. Or this couple who considered bankruptcy because of their debt.
Call American Debt Specialists now and you can reduce or eliminate your debt fast for good. You'll have one low monthly payment that fits your budget. It's simple, legal, and proven.
It was amazing.
I'm glad I made the call.
Call 800-801-0641 now.
The Colbert Report is brought to you by Rhapsody. Listen to your favorite artists at Rhapsody.com. Rhapsody, music without limits.
Excuses are no match for more power, better fuel efficiency, and now 1.9 financing, the Porsche moment. See your dealer for compelling lease and finance offers and the end of excuses.
On August 28th,
you know what those hippies are going to do to our town?
Ang Lee will take you back.
Can you believe it? I saw them charge $1 for water.
To a small town with some big characters.
We've made brownies. Very special brownies. Wonderful, isn't it?
And an era.
Take cover, man. Someone's got to go back and call an air support.
That a lot of people
gave them the brownies.
Can't quite remember.
Baby!
Dimitri Martin, Eugene Levy, Emil Hirsch, Liev Schreiber, Taking Woodstock. Rated R. Starts August 28th.
This is Radio Malibu Rum, a non-commercial radio station.
Get your island on.
And here's the weather. New York.
Sunshine.
Paris.
Sunshine.
Moscow.
Definitely.
Sunshine. Tokyo.
Sunshine.
It is 1 a.m. in Tokyo, Bernard.
Details. Minor details.
Always drink responsibly.
Special interest groups are trying to block progress on healthcare reform, derailing the debate with myths and scare tactics. Desperately trying to stop you from discovering that reform won't hurt Medicare, it will actually strengthen it by eliminating billions of dollars in waste and lowering drug prices. Tell Congress not to let myths get in the way of fixing what's broken with healthcare. Learn the facts at healthactionnow.org.
It's time.
Don't miss the biggest adventure of the summer. That's why we're here. G.I. Joe, rated PG-13.
What would you do for a Klondike bar? Would you hang out with your mother-in-law? What would you do now that it has a thicker, more chocolatey shell?
Right there.
I got it.
What would you do for a Klondike bar?
Bad habits are hard to break, especially when you're smashed.
Every drunk ass punches a wall at some point in his life. Nothing good comes of it. You never break through the wall and find a missing child on the other side.
Greg Giraldo, Midlife Vices. Catch the world premiere Sunday at 10.